12 survival gadgets every man should have. The great outdoors is a place of beauty, challenge, and unpredictability. And when you're off the grid, preparation is everything. Whether you're hiking remote trails, setting up a backcountry camp, or simply exploring nature, the right gear can mean the difference between comfort and crisis. From compact tools that pack serious punch to multitasking gadgets built for survival, we've compiled 12 of the most innovative, field-tested items every adventurer should consider. These aren't just cool extras, they're potential lifesavers. Let's take a closer look. 1. Convertible Poncho Tent, Shelter on the Go. This multifunctional poncho serves dual purposes, a waterproof outer garment and a compact one-person tent. When fully set up, it provides a comfortable space measuring 260 by 125 centimeters, just enough room for one adult to sleep in a low-profile shelter. Its clever design allows two ponchos to be zipped together for a larger tent space, ideal for couples or gear storage. Made of breathable, weather-resistant fabric, it offers protection from sun exposure, heavy rain, and wind. It's lightweight at 600 grams and comes with 6 pegs and 3 guy lines for quick setup, all packed into a compact carrying pouch. Priced at $60, it's a convenient and affordable solution for solo backpackers and emergency preppers alike. 2. Wicked Lasers FlashTorch, light that burns. Unlike your typical flashlight, the FlashTorch is a literal powerhouse, with light intensity strong enough to ignite paper, boil small quantities of water, and even melt soft metals. It's more of a survival tool than a utility light. Designed for serious users, it includes adjustable power modes, but at full output, it can only operate for 15 minutes on a single charge, a necessary trade-off for such intensity. The battery life reaches up to 100 hours at lower settings. At $400 and weighing roughly a kilogram, it's pricey and heavy but unmatched in sheer output. It's ideal for extreme conditions, emergency signaling, or controlled fire starting in wet environments. 3. Survival Laces, shoelaces with hidden tools. These aren't ordinary shoelaces, they're cleverly disguised survival kits. Each lace integrates a durable paracord for emergency tying, a fishing line for catching food, a waxed tinder strand for fire starting, and a ferrocerium rod that produces sparks when struck. Perfect for hunters, hikers, and wilderness explorers, these laces provide an emergency lifeline disguised in everyday gear. You can choose lengths from 122 to 213 centimeters, suitable for different shoe styles, and each pair costs just $15. For hoodie and sweatshirt users, there's also a 122 centimeter cord version with similar features available for $6 more, adding preparedness to your casual wear. 4. Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape, the all-in-one fixer. This isn't your dad's regular duct tape. Designed specifically for outdoor survival, it's strong enough to reinforce shelter walls or create makeshift repairs, yet flexible and tearable by hand. With a width of 5 centimeters, it's easy to manage and can be used to create slings, hold dressings in place, prevent blisters, or even fabricate cordage or a water cup in an emergency. Its waterproof properties ensure it adheres even in wet or humid conditions. Whether you're patching a tent, fixing gear, or handling medical improvisations, this $11 roll of tape is a compact, all-purpose solution for unexpected situations. 5th RADNA GPS rescue device, safety first designed with lost hikers and wandering pets in mind. The RADNA combines a LEO-SAR, GeoSAR-compatible satellite beacon with real-time GPS tracking. It can send location data in emergencies, giving rescuers a fast and accurate fix on your position, even in places without cell service. It's powered by a 3,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery and augmented with solar panels to keep it alive off-grid. It mounts on a custom survival belt, which includes added tools like paracord and a fire starter. A pet version with similar functionality clips onto a collar, giving peace of mind to outdoor-loving pet owners and families alike. 6. Endure Pen, a toolbox in your pocket. Born from one hiker's frustration with bulky survival gear, the Endure Pen offers multiple functions in a sleek, compact titanium casing. It includes a flare launcher for distress signaling, a spike for glass breaking or digging, a fire-starting ferro rod, a meter of paracord, and even a waxed tinder cord for instant fire starting, all in a body weighing only 70 grams. Designed with modular parts, it allows quick deployment of tools in emergency scenarios. Originally priced at $125, the pen's premium price and niche appeal meant it didn't take off on Kickstarter, but it remains a marvel of compact innovation. 7. Camillus Highlimb Saw for high places and hard work. This unique hand-powered saw is perfect for pruning hard-to-reach branches without ladders or climbing. It features a 51-centimeter bidirectional cutting blade that slices on both pull and push motions. Attached to two 6-meter paracord handles with weighted ends, it can be thrown over tall limbs and used to saw with leverage from the ground. It comes with a carry case and is excellent for land clearing, storm damage removal, and prepping hunting areas. For $50, it offers a blend of safety, effectiveness, and portability, making it a must-have for backwoods property owners and forest campers. 8. Camillus Carnivore X Machete Versatility meets durability. Measuring 46 centimeters in length, this all-purpose machete is equipped with a 30.5 centimeter blade made from 420-grade stainless steel and finished with a titanium coating, tripling its durability. Beyond slicing through dense vegetation, it's built to gut game, dig shallow trenches, and saw small branches. The included bonus knife and sheath make it a versatile field tool. Whether you're clearing trails, processing firewood, or butchering wild game, this $35 machete set is a rugged and affordable bushcraft, essential from one of the oldest knife makers in the US 9, Steambow AR-6 Stinger II Compact Crossbow Power. This modern pistol crossbow is a compact powerhouse at just 1.2 kilograms. Its semi-automatic mechanism allows it to fire 6 bolts in 20 seconds, making it the fastest repeating crossbow of its kind. Designed for small game hunting and sport shooting, it's highly accurate up to 15 meters, enough to take down a rabbit or hit tight targets. The modular design includes Picatinny rails for tactical attachments like scopes, lasers, or lights. Starting at $300, it's an accessible entry into compact archery with real survival potential when hunting or defending in remote areas. 10. Estream Portable Water Turbine Power from Streams. With the Estream, you can generate electricity from flowing water during hikes or camping trips. Simply anchor it in a river or stream, and it begins charging its built-in 6,400 mAh battery. In about 4.5 hours, it can fully charge, storing enough energy to power phones, lights, or small devices. It produces 2.5 to 5 watts and weighs only 800 grams. Perfect for areas without solar exposure, it's ideal for off-grid explorers or as an emergency power solution. Priced from $180, it attracted strong support online, raising over $140,000 from crowdfunding and gaining coverage in major news outlets. 11. Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman Axe meets Multitool. Best known for their iconic lighters, Zippo also offers this rugged multi-tool for serious woodsmen. The 4-in-1 Woodsman functions as an axe, mallet, stake puller, and bow saw. The axe blade measures 127 millimeters, while the hidden saw blade extends to 381 millimeters, neatly stored inside the polymer handle. With a total length of 450 millimeters and weighing under 2 kilograms, it balances strength with portability. For $90, it's an excellent solution for campers who want one tool to chop firewood, set up tents, and manage camp chores without bringing an entire toolkit. 12. TAQWallet. The tactical wallet you didn't know you needed. This smart and rugged wallet is designed not just to hold cards, but to serve as a mini survival kit. It includes a screwdriver, LED flashlight with strobe mode, glass breaker, bottle opener, and even RFID protection to prevent digital theft. Made from a blend of stainless steel, nylon, and aluminum, it's strong yet compact. It features a rechargeable light that lasts up to 3 hours and a carabiner loop for easy attachment. Priced at $75, it's more than a wallet. It's a daily carry companion prepared for unpredictable situations, whether in the wild or in the city. In the wilderness, every ounce counts, and every tool has to earn its place in your pack. The gadgets and gear on this list prove that survival tools can be both smart and streamlined, offering essential functions without unnecessary bulk. Whether it's starting a fire, generating power, navigating unfamiliar terrain, or staying safe in emergencies, these 12 items are built to keep you ready for whatever nature throws your way. So before your next adventure, ask yourself, are you equipped for the unexpected? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.